It's estimated that Americans owe $1 trillion to credit card companies.
Ooh, that's a lot of money. Get this, the average interest rate is 24%. A lot of people are searching for strategies to pay down debt because of that. But could consolidation help? We're bringing in financial expert Charlotte Stallings joining us live. Good morning.
Good morning. Good to see you, Jose and Chelsea. Yes. Thanks for having me.
All right, so Charlotte, tell us exactly how debt consolidation work. And there's, I guess, the idea that it ruins your credit score. Is that true?
Well, in terms of how it works, Chelsea, it really is, think about it as the word consolidating, pulling together all of your debt. It could be credit cards, revolving credit, etc., into one payment, one lump sum payment that makes it easy for you. And does it hurt your credit? It certainly cannot. I had a consolidation loan some years ago, and it really did help me. So it doesn't have to be a bad thing. It can really be a help.
But can you tell us about the downside of consolidation? Because it has to affect you in some way.
Well, so let's look at both sides. So the pros include a couple of things. It can be a way to quickly accelerate your repayment of the debt that you have. It can make it simpler for you with your finances overall and potentially boost your credit rating. So those are a couple of good things, maybe even reducing your interest rate that you're paying overall. And if you like a fixed repayment, that can be good. Now, there are some cons. Here's the deal. It's not going to fix things on its own. You need to be Actually, excuse me about that. You need to be, I'm so sorry. You need to make sure that you've got some things in place that will help you to be conscious and financially smart. So you have to be disciplined. Some of the cons also, there could be upfront costs that you incur, and it may actually, you may see that your interest rates are higher rather than lower. And if you miss a payment, that could be problematic for sure. So those are some pros and cons.
So if people are looking into this, how do they determine what company they may go with? If they go with the company, or should they be doing this on their own? What's your recommendation?
So I say do a lot of research. There are a lot of different options out there, and there's no one place I would say go here or go there. Here's who it's good for. I want you to think this first. Who's a candidate? If you've got a good credit score, say 670 or above, that's going to help you be able to shop around and get some good rates. Also, if you like having fixed payments, you want to have a set payment amount that you know that you're going to be paying each month to consolidate all of this debt. That's really great. And you like one payment. Now, it's not for the person who has not developed some financial discipline. If you don't want to buckle down, this isn't going to be good. And if you've not disciplined yourself enough to not keep spending, then it's going to be problematic. So shop around. There are a lot of different options. Look at rates, talk to your friends, and know that it doesn't have to be a bad thing for you.
Now, you say shop around, but how do you determine who to try and get the consolidation loan from?
So I'm a big fan of starting where you already bank. So if you bank at a bank, a physical bank or not, or you bank at a credit union, go in and talk with them first. You have a relationship. You already have assets there at that institution, and they want to retain you as a customer. So go in and talk with them about what you're trying to accomplish. Shop around for rates. Who has the best rate? Maybe it's someplace where you already have a relationship, maybe not. So literally pull out a notepad, create a spreadsheet, look at what those rates are, look at what the terms are for repayment, look at how quickly you'd be receiving the actual funds to go and to make sure that you're paying off all those credit cards or whatever the debt might be. Start where you already have a relationship. They want to retain that relationship. Go in, have a conversation there. It's a good starting place.
All right.
Great information.
Yeah. Thank you. Financial expert Charlotte Stallings there, helping people to get over that debt hurdle.
Yes. Thank you,
Charlotte. Good to see you both, Jose and Chelsea. Thank you.